Hey, hey, look, let me get your attention. Guess what I'm doing? I'm out here frying some chicken for my grands. Oh man, ain't that beautiful? Let me get a rack. Ain't that pretty? Look at this. Frying that chicken. I'm frying it in a turkey fryer. And, well, now, this is how it looks. Get your hand off of my grandchildren chicken. I know it look good, but don't worry. You want Nah, never mind. Well, I just want y'all to see what I'm doing today. I love y'all. Y'all enjoy your day. Have a good day. And love on some family and friends, okay? All right. I know kids are graduating from school and people are having gatherings with their family and stuff. Be safe. Please don't let the enemy step in. Just be safe and take care, okay? All right. Love you.